Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Blazing Sales Battle Royale not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to simply check the system requirements. So before you start troubleshooting, make sure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run Blazing Snails. So check the game system requirements on the Epic Games Store or the game's official website to ensure that your computer meets the minimum requirements. And then next, what you can do is to verify game files. So if the game is not launching or crashes, it is possible that some game files are corrupted or missing. So to fix this issue, you can verify the game files on the Epic Games Launcher, and here's how you can do it. So first, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library and click onto the three dots next to the Blazing Snails and select Verify. And just wait for the verification process to complete and simply launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. And the next what you can do is to update graphics drivers. So outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause some issues with Blazing Snails. So to fix this issue, you can update your graphics drivers to the latest version, or you can download the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website or use a third-party tool like Driver Booster. And then next, what you can do is disable the overclocking. So if you have overclock your CPU or GPU, it can cause stability issues with Blazing Snails. And to fix this issue, you can disable overclocking in your computer's BIOS or BIOS, or use a tool like MSI Afterburner to reset your GPU settings to default. And if none of the solutions that I've mentioned work, you can contact Blazing Snail support team for further assistance. And you can submit a ticket on the game's official website or contact the support team via email or social media. So, by following these steps or troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix most of the common Blazing Snails Epic Games issues. And I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.